Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Macy's gift cards. The card is redeemable for merchandise and in-store services at Macy's physical stores, Macys.com or MacysWeddingChannel.com. First of all, go to Macys.com. Sign in with your login details if you haven't already. After you are logged in, click on your username at the top and then click Macy's credit card. Now select gift card balance from the left tab. Enter the card number and card identification number that you can find at the back of Macy's gift card once you scratch the covered surface. After you enter your card number and CID number, click View Balance to add the balance in your Macy's account. Once you have redeemed the gift card, you can now start shopping with that amount. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.